In this brief video, I want to introduce you to the 6 conditions for team effectiveness framework. The main idea in this framework is that focusing on behaviors is usually insufficient for creating high team performance, and that we need to look a little bit deeper at the underlying conditions or design structures that really drive behaviors in the first place. So the logic model is that conditions drive behaviors, which then lead to results. So, what are the 6 conditions? Well, there are 6 of them, and they're broken up into 2 subsets. The first subset we call the essentials. The first of the essential conditions is real team. Are we a team, not just in name only, but a team that actually needs to accomplish an interdependent piece of work that we can stay together long enough in order to accomplish? So, that's a real team. Second, do we have a clear purpose that's challenging and that actually matters to stakeholders? Think of this as the North Star. And then third, given that purpose, do we have the talent on the team with the technical skills, the people skills, the diversity of perspectives, and the right size, not too big or too small, to accomplish that purpose? Those 3 things are fundamental building blocks. And when those are in good enough shape, not perfect, but good, we can then focus on 3 enabling conditions. Number 1 is work design. So, do we have clear priorities, the mission critical tasks that we need to focus on to translate the purpose into reality? And do we also have ways of working, norms, work practices that really help us take advantage of our talent and that are really designed appropriately for the kinds of tasks we're trying to accomplish? Next is organizational support. So, are we getting the material resources, the information, the education and technical consultation, and the rewards and recognition that can support us to achieve our objectives? And finally, is there someone, the team leader, team members, or an external team coach that can provide expert coaching along the way? So those 6 things are really the active leadership that needs to happen in a team, the most powerful active leadership that stacks the deck in favor of a great team emerging. If those are in good shape, we can then focus on 3 behaviors: putting in collective effort. Second is crafting strategies, adjusting the strategies based on changing conditions as we're going down the road trying to accomplish our objectives. And third, are we leveraging the talent along the way? So, are we really getting people engaged? Are they putting in their best gifts and skills? And are we learning actually as a team along the way? And so if we put these 6 conditions and 3 behaviors in place, we now have created hopefully a virtuous cycle that leads to 3 kinds of results. Are we meeting or exceeding stakeholder satisfaction and requirements? Are we becoming more capable over time? Are we growing as a team? And third, are individual members feeling satisfied, engaged, their well-being is taken care of, they're developing and growing? So there you have it, the 6 conditions for team effectiveness framework. It's a very powerful model that can predict up to 75 to 80% of a team's performance. And we hope you find this useful in the teams that you're a part of, leading or supporting.